Garmin watches have a new Map Manager feature that allows you to add, update, or remove maps directly from the watch. When your watch is connected to a Wi-Fi network, you can download available map updates or maps of other regions via your watch. You can also remove maps to increase storage space on the watch. To use the Map Manager feature, you can select the Map Manager app from the activity list. Or when you are in the watch face, hold the up key. Select Map. Select Map Manager. Select a map category. You can also update or remove a map with the same steps. Please be noted, downloading maps can drain the battery. The watch will temporarily move the map to the download queue. The download will start once you connect the watch to an external power source. That's it. Thanks for watching.